Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be doing a competency-based question for 3 marks. Let's look at the question. Prove the following. 1 by cosec theta minus cot theta minus cot theta by cos theta is equal to cot theta. Okay, so let's start off with the LHS. Now LHS is given to be 1 by cosecant theta minus cot theta divided by cos theta. Now I know that cosecant theta can be written as 1 by sin theta and cot theta can be written as cos theta by sin theta. That minus cot theta again I can replace with cos theta by sin theta by cos theta. Okay, so all I have done here is I've replaced this with this. I've replaced cot theta with cos theta by sin theta here and here. Okay, so let's continue now. Let's make the denominator the same in the first term. So I would have 1 by 1 minus cos theta by sin theta minus cos theta by sin theta times 1 by cos theta. Now I can cancel these away and I would get sin theta by 1 minus cos theta minus 1 by sin theta. Now I can make the denominator the same. For that I'll have to multiply this term with sin theta in the numerator and denominator and this term with 1 minus cos theta in the numerator and denominator. So I would get sin squared theta minus 1 minus cos theta divided by sin theta times 1 minus cos theta, which is the common denominator. Now I can replace this sin squared theta here. Only the sin squared theta I am replacing with 1 minus cos squared theta. That minus 1 minus cos theta divided by sin theta times 1 minus cos theta. Now I can apply the identity a squared minus b squared here. Okay, so which is my a squared term? This is a squared because it's as good as 1 squared. So a squared minus b squared gives me a plus b into a minus b. So I would get 1 plus cos theta times 1 minus cos theta minus 1 minus cos theta divided by sin theta times 1 minus cos theta. Okay, now I have two terms in the numerator. I have this and this. Now do you think I can take out something common? Yes, I can. I can take out 1 minus cos theta out common. So I would have 1 minus cos theta and then what would go into the bracket? Now the remaining terms would go into the bracket. So this will go into the bracket and I would have a times 1 from here which would go into the bracket. Okay, so that will be 1 plus cos theta minus 1 divided by sin theta times 1 minus cos theta. Now I can cancel away 1 minus cos theta and I can cancel away 1 away and I would have cos theta by sin theta which is equal to cot theta. So now that is equal to the right hand side. So therefore the LHS is equal to RHS. If you have a math question that you'd like me to cover, drop it in the comments and I'll be happy to do a video just for you. Also, if you like my video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.